Dana Lynn.
Oh, Jeffrey's in the
Pennsylvania.
We're up to peas.
Your
The sky
Amanda
is
Nicole
looking
Hershey.
rather dark. It is starting to rain.
Sophie Faye Herman.
Oh, we got a closer shot. At
I
the
just saw a
graduate.
fucking fly right by my
Dean
head.
George Pedicus.
One of 350 NVOT graduates, class of 2011.
Glenn George
Mr.
Pedicus.
Aaron London.
Jeffrey!
There it is.
Stephen Crooks.
Louis
Where
Paul
Serena will be going
Herman.
next year.
Oh, yeah.
Uh-oh, the drops are coming.
Samantha Brooke Keeler.
Whoa, look at those clouds. The reception has been moved into the cafeteria,
Pietro.
but we are at least away from the upper balcony where we were standing.
He doesn't even know who I am, but I'm fine.
Easier access to make a quick getaway. Well, maybe not a quick getaway, but a quicker getaway.
Yeah!
Nicholas Robert
To be
Pisano.
continued. Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Alyssa